Hey guys, so the channel is called Hick Shit for a reason. So today's episode is gonna be a little bit different than shooting guns. Today I will be at the farm milking. So I will give you guys a sneak peek of kind of what I do at the farm. Couple time lapses, but we'll just go as I do a normal day, and you guys will see what happens. So that's how you do the milk house, and I'll have a time lapse of us starting milking right now. Hey guys, so we just finished milking about 10 to 7. Nothing really was too crazy about tonight, which is a good thing. You know, you don't want it to be too crazy dealing with cows. That could turn bad real quick. But now we're gonna finish up some chores in the milk house, and we'll probably get out of here in the next 10 minutes, hopefully. I am starving. But we'll say goodnight to the cows, and that'll do it for today. We'll see you in the next one. All right guys, we're done with milking chores. We're ready to go. I'm gonna go start the car, warm it up a little bit, do a couple more things, and then we'll head around home. But it's time to say goodnight to the cows. So, good night girls, we'll see you on Saturday.